Hey guys, it's Jordan from iTechworld, and today I'm going to be running you through how to install iTech1420 under the bonnet of my Ford Ranger. Alright, so now that we've popped the bonnet, you grab your wrench and let's get the terminals up. Alright, so you just cover this now, just for safety. Right, and now the hardest part, taking out the lead acid battery. Right, so now we've got out the old battery. Let's see what it weighs. Yep, so about 23 kilos when you put on the iTechworld Lithium battery. Wow, what an upgrade. 7.6 kilos. Right, now it's time to install the iTechworld 1420. Alright, now we've got it in, let's just simply put it on and tighten her up. And there you have it. It is now that easy to switch a car battery to lithium. Thanks to iTechworld, I just saved myself almost 15 kilos. Now let's start her up and get out of here.